Welcome to another Cosplay mini tutorial by Big Emotic. Today we'll be returning to the Zatchbell Spellbook. Today's tutorial is focusing on the text block, or the pages in the book. For this tutorial, I highly recommend that you check out these existing tutorials by Codex Bookbinding and Binding Your Own Book, which I used heavily when going through this process. I used those tutorials partially to also identify the resources that I would need to most successfully complete this prop. Now, there are some replacements available. For example, PVA adhesive, you can use watered down school glue, but in other cases, you'll want to get the legit stuff to make your work easier. To get started, we take the little leaflets that were from the previous part of the tutorial and poke holes 1 inch apart along the seam of the pages. These are going to be the holes that you'll use when stitching together these little pamphlets or leaflets. Then the long process begins, stitching the pages together. Both of the tutorials that I linked to have really good step-by-step photos for how to accomplish this, and unfortunately I don't have work in progress pictures, so I highly recommend you check them out. When you're actually done stitching all of the pieces together, you'll want to take some of that binding cloth and glue it onto the spine of your book. A few key tips: use a foam brush, be gentle, be really thin on the glue, and put down wax paper so that you avoid getting glue on your surfaces. And that's it for today's tutorial.